You're paying premium prices for full synthetic oil, but what if I told you that some of the most popular brands are using recycled, refined used oil as their base stock and legally calling it synthetic? The bottle says full synthetic, the price says premium. But the chemistry says recycled motor oil that's been cleaned up and sold back to you at synthetic prices. Today, I'm exposing exactly which 5 oil brands are using refined base stocks, and how the oil industry legally gets away with it. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. First, let's be clear about what refined oil actually is. Refined oil starts as used motor oil, the black contaminated oil drained from engines. This used oil is collected and processed through advanced refining techniques that remove contaminants and restore the base oil to virgin-like quality. The process uses vacuum distillation and chemical treatment to strip out metals and carbon. What's left is a chemically similar base oil. The environmental benefits are legitimate. Refining uses 85% less energy than refining crude oil into virgin-based stock. But here's where it gets controversial. Refined base oils are classified as Group 2 or Group 3 base stocks. Group 3 base stocks can legally be labeled as synthetic in the United States after a 1999 court ruling. Brand number 1. Valvoline. Valvoline has been transparent about using refined base stocks. Their next-gen line contains up to 50% recycled oil. Valvoline claims the refined base oil meets the same quality standards as virgin Group 3 base stock, and independent testing supports this. Brand number 2. Pennzoil. Pennzoil doesn't use traditional refined oil, but their marketing is potentially misleading in a different way. Their Pure Plus technology is synthesized from natural gas. It's high quality, but the marketing implies it's greener than it actually is. Brand number 3, Safety Clean. They are a major refiner who sells to oil blenders. Their stock ends up in private label and house brands. If you're buying a budget synthetic from a quick lube chain, there's a significant chance the base stock came from Safety Clean's operations. Brand number 4. Some Chevron products. Chevron uses refined base stocks in some lubricants, but isn't transparent about which specific products. Brand number 5. Private label brands from Calumet. They supply refined Group 3 base stock to various store brands and budget oils. Does refined oil actually protect your engine? Independent testing generally supports this claim, performing similarly to virgin Group 3 in wear tests. But there are concerns. Refined base stock can contain trace contaminants like microscopic metal particles that might accelerate wear over long intervals. The quality depends entirely on the refining process. Not all refiners operate to the same standards, so choose your brands wisely. A high-quality refiner like Valvoline or Safety Clean produces base stock that's genuinely equivalent to virgin Group 3. A low-quality refiner cutting corners might produce base stock with higher contamination or lower performance. Third, refined oil lacks the marketing incentive to exceed minimum standards. Virgin synthetic oils from premium brands like Mobil 1, Amsoil, or Redline are formulated to exceed API minimums. Their brand reputation depends on superior performance. Refined oils are often formulated to just meet minimum certifications at lowest cost. So refined oil works adequately when it's processed properly and formulated to meet standards. But it's not equivalent to premium virgin PAO synthetic. And there's more variability in quality between different refined products. Here's what frustrates consumers: the lack of transparency. If Valvoline Next Gen clearly states on the label that it contains 50% recycled base oil, consumers can make informed choices. But when refined base stock is blended into synthetic oils without disclosure, consumers paying premium prices don't know what they're buying. The synthetic label itself is part of the deception. Refined Group 3 base stock can be called synthetic, even though it's recycled petroleum, not lab-synthesized POW. Consumers assume synthetic means virgin high-tech chemistry. Instead, it might mean recycled drain oil processed to Group 3 specs. Here's my take on whether you should use refined oil. If it's clearly labeled, priced as a budget option, and you're changing oil frequently at 5,000 miles, refined synthetic is fine. Valvoline Next Gen at $20 to $25 for 5 quarts is reasonable value if you know what you're getting. If you're paying $30 to $40 and the bottle doesn't disclose refined content, you're potentially overpaying. At that price point, buy virgin PAO synthetic like Mobile One Extended Performance, AmSoil, or Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. You're getting superior chemistry without recycled base stock. If you're running a high-performance engine, turbocharged engine, or extending intervals past 7,500 miles, avoid re-refined base stock. Use premium virgin PAO synthetic with proven additive packages. The superior oxidation resistance and thermal stability of PAO provides real benefits under stress. If you're environmentally conscious and want to support recycling, re-refined oil is a legitimate choice as long as it's priced fairly. The environmental benefits are real. Less energy consumption, less crude oil extraction, and less waste oil disposal. But demand transparency. Support brands that clearly label re-refined content like Valvoline Next Gen. Avoid brands that hide re-refined content while charging premium prices. Check the bottle for re-refined disclosure. Look for a PI certification. All motor oils sold in the US must meet a PI standards regardless of base stock source. Consider oil analysis if you're concerned. Send a sample of your used oil to Blackstone Labs after 5,000 miles. The analysis will show wear metals and contamination. The data will reveal any performance differences. Bottom line, 5 brands using re-refined stocks include Valvoline NextGen, some Pennzoil, Safety Clean, Chevron, and Calumet. Demand transparency. Buy re-refined only when clearly labeled and use virgin PAO for high-performance applications. Are you using re-refined oil knowingly? Drop your brand and thoughts in the comments and hit that like button.